In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to engage active app users with contextual messages in Firebase. We're going to build an in-app messaging campaign that appears at just the right moment so your most active users see timely, relevant content. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain why each choice matters, and share a few tips to help you avoid common pitfalls as you go. First, open the Firebase console and select your project. On the left, open the Build section, then go into Run and choose Messaging. This is the hub where you create and manage cross-channel campaigns, including in-app messages that appear while someone is actively using your app. Click Create your first campaign. When prompted for a campaign type, choose Firebase Notification Message, then select Firebase In-App Messages for now, and click Create. We're focusing on contextual in-app prompts because they're perfect for nudging engaged users at the moment they're likely to act. On the Compose screen, you'll choose a message layout. You'll see options for card, modal, image only, and top banner. Each serves a different use case. Cards are balanced and flexible, modals command attention in the center, image only is clean and visual, and top banners are lightweight and unobtrusive. To keep things simple, select image only for now. Provide your creative by typing an image URL or uploading a file. Make sure your image is optimized for mobile. Keep the file size small for quick rendering, and use an aspect ratio that looks great on common screen sizes. Avoid text-heavy graphics so your message remains legible across devices. If your image includes important copy, ensure strong contrast and enough padding around the edges. Next, configure an action if you want one. This is optional, but it's powerful. An action can open a deep link inside your app or an external link in a browser when the user taps the message. Use deep links to take users directly to a relevant screen, like a new feature, a sale page, or a help article related to what they're doing. Keep the destination highly relevant to the moment this message will appear. Click Next to move to campaign details. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it later, and add an optional description with the goal or audience notes. These small details make maintenance and reporting much easier down the line. Now define who can receive the message with eligible users. Select the app you want to target. If your project supports multiple platforms, pick the specific app instance that matches your creative and links. This ensures the message can render properly and that any deep links resolve to the right destination. Click Next to schedule your campaign. Set a start time and an end time. Think about the time zone your audience lives in and the context of their usage. For example, if this is a weekday productivity nudge, schedule it during working hours. If it's a weekend promotion, time it accordingly. Setting an end date prevents stale promotions from lingering after they're no longer relevant. Click Next to set the key event that will trigger your message. This is where the contextual magic happens. Choose the analytics event that best represents the moment you want to intercept. For example, an app open for a quick welcome, a screen view for a specific feature screen, or another custom event that signals high intent. The tighter the alignment between the event and your message, the higher your engagement will be. Click Next again to review additional options if they're relevant. This is where you can fine-tune delivery behavior to make the experience feel respectful and non-intrusive. Consider settings that prevent over-messaging and keep the experience consistent for repeat visitors. When everything looks good, click Review. Scan your summary, layout, image, action destination, targeting, schedule, and trigger event. If anything doesn't line up with the user moment you're targeting, go back and adjust it now. Finally, click Publish to launch your campaign. Once published, Firebase will begin delivering your in-app message when eligible users trigger the key event within the scheduled window. Because this is contextual, you don't need to blast everyone. Only users who meet the criteria will see it, right when it matters most. That's how you engage active app users with messages that feel helpful, timely, and on brand.